Good morning students, class 10th. Today I am going to continue the applications of displacement reaction. In the previous lecture we have discussed up to the displacement reactions with some examples. Now next is the application of displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are used in extraction of metals such as silver and gold. This Ag stands for silver and this Au stands for gold. This silver and gold are taken as their ore. First of all, we will take the ore of the respective metal and they are dissolved in sodium cyanide solution. This solution is dissolved in both silver ore as well as gold ore, resulting in formation of a compound or a complex compound is formed here. Now this complex compound now mixes with more reactive metals such as zinc. Zinc is more reactive, undergo displacement of silver and gold from this compound because this is a compound of silver and gold with Cn. Clear? Now this zinc being more reactive shows displacement reaction by displacing silver and gold from this compound, resulting in formation of compound of zinc with evolution or with formation of silver and gold. In this way we can extract out silver and gold by using some reactive metal with compound of gold and silver. Next point is the displacement reaction's nature. The nature of displacement reaction is considered to be exothermic in nature. Clear? These reactions are considered to be exothermic because in this case it was observed that the temperature of the reaction mixture increases as the reaction goes on. Clear? जैसे जैसे reaction इसकी completion की तरफ move करती है तो इसमें जो temperature है reaction mixture का that will also increases. It means there is evolution of heat. That's why the reaction is considered to be exothermic in nature. Next information about this reaction. In this reaction, single metal is displaced from the respective salt solution of the other metal. Therefore, these reactions are simply also called as single displacement reaction. Otherwise, we can use the term as displacement reaction, but sometimes we can also use the term as single displacement reaction, but the more popular term is displacement reaction. Now the next is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions, as a name indicate, it is also a displacement reaction, but in this case there is displacement of two different atoms or group of atoms. Clear? In this reaction two different atoms or group of atoms are exchanged. That's why such type of reactions are called as double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are exchanged. Such type of reactions are called as double displacement reaction. The reaction takes place generally in the ionic solution. Clear? The main point is these reaction takes place in ionic solutions, that is when the ionic compound dissolved in water. Ionic solutions are formed when ionic compound is dissolved in solvent like water. क्लियर? जब भी किसी आयोनिक कंपाउंड को हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा आयोनिक सॉल्यूशन. तो आयोनिक कंपाउंड के अंदर या आयोनिक कंपाउंड्स के सॉल्यूशंस के अंदर भी डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होती है. तो इन कंपाउंड्स के अंदर जो डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगी, in that case the reaction takes place in the ionic compound by exchange of their ions. In this case the reaction takes place by exchange of the ions into from two solution to form a new compound. Clear? Ionic compound solution also shows double displacement reaction, and in these type of compound the reaction takes place by exchange of ions from the two aqueous solutions to form a new compound. Such type of reactions are also called as double displacement reaction. Next main point about this reaction is that one of the product formed in such type of reaction is insoluble. One of the product formed in such type of reaction is either insoluble और it will separate out as solid. अगर जो product बनता है हमारा या तो वो insoluble होगा और it will separate out as solid. This solid product obtained in the double displacement reaction is termed as precipitate. Clear? This solid product formed in the double displacement reaction or in the ionic reaction is termed as precipitate. In short form it is written as PPT. क्लियर? या तो हमारे पास किसकी फॉर्मेशन होगी, इनसोल्यूबल सॉलिड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पीपीटी, और it can also shows evolution of a gas. These are the main features of double displacement reaction. I am going to repeat it again. The reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are exchanged, such type of reactions are called as double displacement reaction. And if ionic compound dissolved in solvent like water, the resulting solution is called as ionic compound solution. Ionic compound solution also shows double displacement reaction by exchange of their ions from the two solutions to form a new compound. Next point about the reaction is that the product formed. This is about the product formed. The product formed may be insoluble or it may be solid residue, which is termed as precipitate, or in short it is called as PPT. If the insoluble solid is not formed, in that case the product form shows the formation of evolution of a gas. These are the main features of double displacement reaction. Now next is the example of double displacement reactions. Example is reaction between barium chloride, that is BaCl2 solution, and second is sodium sulfate solution, that is called as Na2SO4 solution. These compounds are formed when their valencies are cross multiply with each other. For example, barium having valency 2, chlorine having valency 1. When we crisscross the valency, the compound formed is called as BaCl2. Similarly, in sodium sulfate, the cation part is sodium and the anion part is sulfate. Valency of sodium is 1 and sulfate is 2. We have already done this concept of valency and the formula in 9th class. I am just repeating it again. When we cross multiply the valency of these two spaces with each other, the resulting compound having the formula of Na2SO4 is obtained. Next point is we have taken the solution. How the solution is obtained? When this solid BaCl2, is dissolved in water, then the resulting compound is called as BaCl2 aqueous. It is called as Na2SO4 aqueous. Aqueous means the solvent used in these two solution is water. Clear? So first of all we have taken BaCl2 aqueous solution in one test tube and this Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate solution, in other test tube. When the solution of these two test tubes are mixes with each other, we observe the formation of white PPT, which is present in solid state and are insoluble in nature. This is the main characteristic of double displacement reaction, कि जो प्रोडक्ट होता है उसमें हमारे पास कुछ सॉलिड रेजिड्यू या फिर कुछ इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस की फॉर्मेशन होती है. तो ये फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पर क्लियर है. इट मीन्स जो पीपीटी बनते हैं यहाँ पर वो किसकी वजह से बनेंगे? ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेरियम क्लोराइड एंड इवोल्यूशन ऑफ NaCl. दिस NaCl solution will remain in the solution and the color of this precipitate obtained is white in color. Therefore white PPT are formed. So in this reaction again both the anions have exchanged their position. I am writing it this reaction in ionic form as the ion of barium is Ba2 positive, 2Cl1 negative, then 2Na positive and SO4 2 negative. These are present in their respective aqueous state. Clear? अब ये आयनिक रिएक्शन है सपोज, तो उस केस में क्या होगा? देयर विल बी एक्सचेंज बिटवीन द टू आयंस. नाउ इन दिस रिएक्शन द एनायंस ऑफ बोथ द रिएक्शंस, जो हमारे पास दोनों स्पेसिस हैं, जो दो कंपाउंड ले रखे हैं, सॉल्यूशंस ले रखे हैं, उसके जो एनायंस है, एनायंस मीन्स द आयन कैरिंग नेगेटिव चार्ज. अब इन दोनों का यहाँ पर क्या होगा? एक्सचेंज. ये जो Cl आयन है ये मूव करेंगे यहाँ और सल्फेट आयन मूव करेंगे बेरियम के पास. एक्सचेंज शो कर रही है. जहाँ पर सल्फेट था वहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? Cl, रिजल्टिंग इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ NaCl and this barium combines with this sulfate, that is BaSO4. In this way BaCl2 have been replaced by sulfate ions, and here the sulfate ions have been replaced by chloride ions. Hence it is called as double displacement reaction, showing exchange of ions of the two different salt solution. Some other examples of double displacement reactions which you have to done in your notebook is reaction between silver nitrate, that is AgNO3, and NaCl. Reaction between silver nitrate and NaCl. In this case again there is formation of PPT. Reaction between iron sulfide and dilute H2SO4. In this case the product formed is a gas, so it is also a double displacement reaction. Few other examples are given also. A reaction between copper sulfate, aluminium chloride, copper sulfate and H2S, NaOH and HCl. यहाँ तक आपको ये रिवाइज करना है.